Do you have any plans to go on vacation? If so, how would you board your baggage? Carry on or check-in? Hi everyone! Today, I want to share with you what I packed for 2 weeks of travel. I primarily carry all the bags with me when I travel because it saves a lot of time. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pack your travel items into carry-on bags like a minimalist. Okay, let's get started. Starting off, what I would like you to do is make a travel item list in order to secure you have all the items you need. All clothing should be folded, including socks and underwear. All the cosmetic goods should be in the small containers and put them in a plastic bag. All liquid containers go into the Ziplocs. In this case, even though liquid leaks, it doesn't mess up your clothing. Make sure that the limit of travel size containers are 3.4 ounces or less per item. Shoes and sandals should be wrapped with the shower caps because they are dirty. If you don't have it, use some other plastic bags. If you want to bring your favorite hair dryer, such as 2-in-1 hair dryer, an adjustable voltage plug is good. American appliances run on 110 volt, while European appliances are 220 volt. Packing tips. Heavy items should go to the bottom of the luggage so you can easily roll the luggage. Light items should go in the middle section or upper section of the luggage. Batteries and computers should go in a carry-on backpack or a purse because it is easy to take them out at the security checkpoint. Ta-da! It took only a couple hours to finish packing. Now, you can go on vacation with no headache. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it if you click the like button or leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!